How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your Fivem not opening or launching. So when you encounter this problem, it might have some issues with the compatibility of your Windows. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply search for Fivem, click on the open file location, right click on it, click on properties, and you want to navigate through compatibility. Inside this page, make sure that run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 7. You want to make sure to use the disable full screen optimization, and also make sure to run this program as administrator. Click apply, click on OK, and right after that, you just want to actually open up the application right here. Now from there, it should open up normally. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.